Dennis Patrick Howell is by far my favorite person on the planet.
To us being here, finally married, and just starting our lives together, I lose all elegance and eloquence. So I'm overwhelmed and overjoyed, and I love you so much, and I can't wait.
That's just how we roll. You know what it is, what it is. How we roll. You know what it is, what it is. That's just how we roll. You know what it is, what it is. How we roll.
He is loving, he is kind, he is hilarious, absolutely funny. We laugh every single day, and it is just a part of who we are as a couple.
And I can tell that you're ready. 3, 2, 1, it's going down like confetti. Water 10 to 1 shots again. If we do it on our phone, promise that we're gonna trend.
And allow my love to persevere. And that's a start. But it's what you're worth. And if you stay around, I promise I will work very hard to get to that patience stuff.
That's just how we roll. You know what it is, what it is. How we roll. You know what it is. Like that. That's just how we roll.